So, friends, right now a very good offer is going on. If you subscribe to Unacademy Plus in the UPSC category, you will get an extended 1 year of validity. And your subscription will be valid till prelims 2022. So if you are planning to subscribe for UPSC category, you can subscribe it right now by using the coupon code Annie. This coupon code will fetch you 10% discount on your subscription cost. Also, you will get this 1 year of extended validity. So even if you are not preparing for UPSC, you can spread this message to your friends or to your brother or sister who are preparing for this examination. So not only this, any coupon code is valid for any subscription in any category. So if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, please use the coupon code Annie. So there are many benefits actually in Plus subscription. That is, you get to learn in a structured way. All the courses are arranged in a structured manner. Also, you get PDFs of every session, then you get to attend the live classes, then there are dedicated doubt solving sessions. Also, you can watch the recorded versions of all the live classes. So today at first we'll see how to identify noun in a sentence. Okay, so words that end in the following suffix. Okay, what is a suffix? Suffix is the part that is at the end of any word. Okay, so words that end in the following are always nouns. So these words you need to memorize these suffixes. Okay, so let's see. Words that end in ment are always nouns. Like fragment, it ends in ment. Accomplishment ends in ment. Okay, then ness, like friendliness, ends in ness. This is a noun. Hood, like brotherhood, manhood. Okay, then ism, exceptionalism, ism, fundamentalism, ism. So this is a noun. Words that end in tion or sion, like partition, ends in tion. This is a noun. Sion, expansion. This is a noun. Okay. Words that end in ship, like friendship. Friendship is a noun. Words that end in ace, like democracy, diplomacy. These are nouns. Words that end in ity, like mobility, responsibility. These are nouns. Driver, advertiser, computer. Al, refusal, denial. These are nouns. Ence, like dependence, interference. Okay. Ance, acceptance, attendance. Then ery, misery, bribery. Age, like baggage, and cy, like efficiency and urgency. So words that end in all these suffixes are always nouns. One more point you need to remember. Any naming word is a noun. Any naming word. Okay. Name of city, name of place, name of designation, name of river. Any naming word is a noun. Next. Words preceded by articles a and the are nouns. Okay, this means whenever you have article there will be a noun present. So after articles, the construction there can be three types of construction: a, an, or the plus noun, so immediately followed by a noun, or a and the plus adjective plus noun. This is the second construction. Or a and the plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Okay, these are the three types of constructions. Now, if you ask questions what, who and whom to the verb or to the preposition, the answer that you get is a noun. So let's see. Chief Justice of India Sharad A. Bobde has recommended. So let's ask a question. Who has recommended? Who has recommended? So we are asking this question who to the verb recommended. Okay. Who has recommended Chief Justice of India Sharad A. Bobde? So this is a noun. Okay. Chief Justice of India Sharad A. Bobde has recommended whom? So again we are asking this question whom to the verb recommended. Okay. So what answer do we get? Justice N.V. Ramanna. So this is again a noun. Okay. Then the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. Judge is a noun. Why? Judge is a common noun actually. Common noun. Okay. So who has recommended this Chief Justice? Sharad A. Bobde. This is a noun. Recommended whom? This. Okay. Now the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. So here judge is a noun. So the senior most judge of what? Of what? So here you are asking the question what to of. So Supreme Court is your noun. Okay, of is the preposition. You are asking the question what to the preposition. Okay. As the next top judge. Okay. As the next top what? Again you are asking the question what. So here you get the answer judge. The recommendation ends in T-I-O-N. So this is a noun. To the government ends in M-E-N-T. This is a noun. Was followed by the publication ends in T-I-O-N. This is a noun. A short statement ends in M-E-N-T. Noun. On Wednesday, informing that Andhra Pradesh name of a state, naming word, noun. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. So this again is a Chief Minister name. Chief Minister is what? Name of designation, noun, naming word. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, name of a person, again a noun. Okay, fine. So we can also ask questions here. Informing that, so publication of a short statement on Wednesday informing that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy's October 6 complaint. So here we can ask the question whose complaint. So whose will also give you a noun. Okay, so add over here whose. This will also give you noun. Okay, whose complaint? This person's complaint. Okay, complaint. Now whose does not always give you noun. That's why I have not added it, because whose can also give you adjective and possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. That's why I have not added whose. But here what you can do is, this is the name of a person, so this is a noun. Name of a designation, so this is a noun. Okay. October 6 complaint. October 6 what? Complaint. So this gives you the answer to the question what. So complaint is a noun. To the CJI name of a designation, Chief Justice of India. So this is noun, naming word. Also this is preceded by the. Okay. Naming whom. So here you are asking the question whom to the verb naming. Naming whom? Justice Ramanna. So this is again a noun. Was dismissed under an. So here you have article an, so followed by this. So this is a noun. After due consideration ends in T-I-O-N. So this is a noun. I hope this is clear now. How to identify nouns in a sentence. Now we will see how to identify adjectives in a sentence. Okay. So let's see. Now these are some common adjective suffixes. Common. Okay. This is not an exhaustive list, but these are common suffixes. The first one, al, like accidental. If I say accidental case, case will be the noun. Case is the noun here, and accidental is an adjective. First of all, what is an adjective? What is the definition? Adjectives are those words which define or which modify either a noun or a pronoun. Okay. Accidental, brutal murder. In that case, murder will be your noun and brutal adjective. Regional, personal problem. Personal adjective, problem noun. Okay. These are all adjectives. Now, look at these words. Refusal, denial. Now, these words end in al, but these are nouns. Okay. Then ful. Beautiful, skillful. These are adjectives. Then words ending in ICs like scientific, basic, adjectives. Words ending in ABLE, capable, remarkable, these are adjectives. Ending in LESS like useless, powerless. Ending in ish, foolish, selfish. Ending in ous, poisonous, ominous, dangerous, mysterious. These are all adjectives. Ending in y, like funny, dirty. Okay. Ending in ary, honorary, cautionary. Ending in ible, like flexible, sensible. Ending in ant, ignorant, pleasant. Ending in ent, urgent, excellent. Okay, so these are all adjectives. Now V3 form can also act as an adjective, like darkened room, amused, smile. So this is actually what, third form of verb, but here it is acting like an adjective. This is a darkened room, an amused smile. Okay, ing form of verb can also act as an adjective, like an interesting story, ing. Okay, fine. Next, for identifying adjectives in a sentence, you need to ask some questions, like what kind of, how many, how much, and which. Let's understand. What kind of? So if I say I have a red sari, the question will be what kind of a sari? What kind of a sari? And the answer is red. So here red is an adjective. Okay. Seema is a beautiful girl. So what kind of a girl? What kind? Beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective. Next is how many. How many gives us adjective of number. Like Rohit owns 5 cars. So here the question is how many cars? How many cars? The answer is 5. So 5 is an adjective of number. Okay. Next, if I say there is a little water in the jug. There is a little water in the jug. So how much water? The question is now how much water? So what is your answer? Your answer is a little water. So a little here is an adjective. Okay. Next, there are many bed bugs on my bed. Okay, there are many bed bugs on my bed. Now the question is how many bed bugs? How many bed bugs? So what answer do you get? Many. So many here is an adjective. Okay. Next example. The 5th book on the shelf is pathetic. This means the book is very bad. Now the question is which book is pathetic? Which book is pathetic? The answer is the 5th book. So this is what? This is also an adjective. Okay. So what are the questions that you need to ask? What kind of, how many, how much, and which? Right? Now let's see. A major concern. Concern is a noun. Here you have an article. Okay, so this is a noun. Now ask the question, what kind of concern? So a major concern. Major is an adjective. A major concern in contemporary Indian development. Development ends in ment, so this is a noun. Okay. What kind of development? Contemporary Indian. So this is an adjective and this is also an adjective. Okay. Is the widening socio-economic disparity. Okay, socio-economic is the widening socio-economic disparity. Now here your disparity is a noun. How do I know this? Here I have an article the present. So you need a noun. So this is the noun. And socio-economic. This ends in IC. This is an adjective. Or also you can ask the question, what kind of disparity? Socio-economic disparity. Widening here is ing form of verb and it is also acting as an adjective. So what kind of disparity? Widening socio-economic disparity. Okay, so widening and socio-economic are adjectives here. Across groups and regions. So groups and regions are nouns. Even when regions noun, perform relatively better in one developmental dimension. Dimension ends in SION. So this is a noun. Developmental ends in AL. So this is an adjective. So what kind of dimension? Developmental dimension. So this is an adjective, developmental. It does not often translate into all-round development. Again, MENT, development, noun. For instance, Himachal Pradesh, name of a state, naming word, so noun. And Kerala, naming word, noun. Might have attained better levels. What kind of levels? Now here levels is a noun. What kind of levels? Better. So better is an adjective. Of human development, again MENT, so this is a noun. Human development, but has not been backed by adequate dynamism. Ends in ISM. So this is again a noun. Okay. What kind of dynamism? Adequate. No. How much dynamism? So the question here is how much dynamism. So because here you are quantifying it. How much dynamism? So adequate dynamism. So this is an adjective. Okay. In the productive economy. Okay, so productive economy. So economy is a noun and what kind of economy? Productive. This is an adjective. So in this way you need to find out adjectives in a sentence. So I'll keep the video till here. Tomorrow we will continue with this the same topic, and tomorrow we'll see how to identify adverbs and verbs in a sentence. Okay, so thank you everyone. If you are new to my channel, I'll request all of you to subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. I'll see you again in my next video, and today at 2:30 p.m. you have a session with me, and also at 7:30 p.m. you have a session with me. 2 live sessions absolutely for free. The link to my Unacademy profile has been provided in the comment box, so please go there and follow my profile and attend the live sessions. Bye.